Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how you can use free transform tool, meaning deform perspective of the video with the video editor. You can get the ForgeCut from the website. I will put the link in the description. In the beta version it will be free. You can run it. You can import the video or drag and drop it. Now we can scroll out from the preview. You can double click it and press Ctrl and click and drag corners like you can do in Photoshop, which will allow you to manipulate the perspective of the frame. In order to further test it, we can go to Google and search some PNG. Go to Tools, Color and Transparent. So we know it's true transparency on an image. We can directly copy it and paste it here. And we can manipulate this as well any way we want. We can fade it out, and when we are happy with the result we can render it, export. Now we can check the result.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Lab Coats. Did you know Coca-Cola at the...
If this video helped, like the video and subscribe to the channel, and comment down below if you want to see tutorials for further visual transform tool.